Hi, I'm Anthony Giacone, and I'm trying to rate this new movie called, called, sorry,
For as long as I could remember, I've wanted to make movies. I wrote my first movie in 5th grade and used to set up a camera for any situation I could think of. You could say that I was a YouTuber well before YouTube ever started. I would direct my friends in movies, as well as try my best to act.
Look at the face. Oh no. Oh. Where's the heart?
Oh my god.
It's not there. It's not there. There's a hole in the chest cavity.
We would make skate videos with all of our friends, and eventually I decided that I would stay behind the camera. This is me in my office editing YouTube videos.
She brought $8 apples into class. She's special. She's cool.
And I have found so many memories of good friends. So today we're going to be talking about converting VHS and camcorder tapes to digital so that we could preserve all of these memories for a lifetime. This is the ClearClick 2.0 video to digital converter. This is a bundle pack that I purchased on Amazon for $175. This is going to allow me to plug in my VCR or camcorder directly into this device, hook up a 32 gig memory stick, and when I press play, I could record on here, and it will then convert everything onto the memory stick that I then could hook up to my MacBook and edit digitally. This device lets you convert your old videotapes and camcorder tapes to digital format with the touch of a button, with a recording resolution of 720 by 80 pixels. Record and digitize video from VHS, VCRs, DVD players, DVRs, camcorders, hi8, and retro gaming systems. No computer or software required, just hook it up and start recording. It records videos directly onto any USB flash drive or SD card. The bundle pack includes a 32 gig flash drive. What's new in the video to digital version 2.0? The second generation features an extra large 3.5-inch preview screen, better recording quality, improved audio and video sync protection, auto stop feature set to either 60, 90, 100, 20, or 150 minutes, mobile friendly MP4 recording format, pause and resume while recording. The bundle edition includes the 32 gigabyte USB flash drive and a VideoPad video editing software, which is an additional $99 value. Video to digital converter device comes with a 1-year warranty and tech support from ClearClick, a USA-based small business. On the top of the device, you could see the USB plug for the SD card, a micro USB power cord, S-video in, standard RCA cords, and an HDMI out port for viewing on a television while you're recording. I'm going to use the included RCA cables to hook the ClearPick converter to my VCR. Now, if you purchase the standard edition ClearPick, it does not come with a 32 gig hard drive memory stick, but any memory stick that you already have should suffice, but you may need to format it prior to use. The micro USB comes with a standard 5-volt connector, and as soon as you plug it in, it will immediately turn on into capture mode. So it's time to take out my old VCR and dust it off. This is a Sharp that I purchased back in 1997 and used it with another VCR when I was editing videos back in the day. I would plug in one VCR to another, try to sync up based on the audio of multiple cameras, and hit record, stop, record, stop. I have my VHS collection that's been collecting dust. It's time to clean them off and convert all of these tapes to digital so that they will be preserved for a lifetime. This is a film I directed my sophomore year of high school called The 13th Son. I still have the master copy of the VHS.
Psychology is your average everyday science. However, it is a factor in some investigations which have proven to be what the government calls a breach in the logic understanding of scientists or guilty. For a long time, the government in more of these cases concluded that the agents came up with the idea of a special unit in the...
When I put the VHS in, the video will play on the ClearPick converter screen with audio, and I can adjust the audio volume on the converter as well. That way I can rewatch and listen to the playback as it's recording in case I decide to stop recording at any point in time. The quality is good. It hasn't deteriorated through the conversion. Obviously, VHS and camcorders are only so crisp, but I feel it's pretty much maintained its original quality. When the film is over, I'll hit the record button again to stop the recording, and it will automatically save on the memory stick. There is an additional menu that you can't toggle while you're recording, but does give you additional options to add time markers to your clip. Now we're going to remove the micro SD card from the ClearPick device and test it out on my MacBook Air. My MacBook only has USB-C ports, so I have this adapter for HDMI or USB-A. So the USB-A micro SD card will fit in there, and then I'll plug it in to my laptop. Once you plug it in the Finder section, you'll immediately see the micro SD come up. It comes up as a name saying no name, and probably because I'll need to name it at some point. And if you hit the video drop down, you'll see all of the videos that were automatically saved and time-stamped onto the micro SD. So if I click on one, it will immediately open the MP4 file and play with audio, with the preserved quality from before. I could quickly jump between different MP4 videos just to verify that they're all there and work, as well as categorize them on my machine for later. And now to transfer the files from the SD card onto the hard disk of your computer, simply create a new folder, copy the file, paste it in. And depending on the size of the file, it should paste in almost immediately. Double click on it to make sure that it works and plays, and just save it in a great spot for later. If you'd like to save it to the cloud, you could create an account on popular cloud hosting services like Vimeo and YouTube, and then you could easily upload the file there directly from your hard drive so that it'll be saved on the cloud and you could easily share that with others. Keep in mind, a lot of these services do have limits to the amount that you could upload weekly, and you may have to pay for a certain amount of storage based on the size. Next, we're going to preserve my old VHS C and High 8 camcorder tapes. I have a nice collection of home films that never got edited onto VHS, so I'm going to go through all of these and re-record them digitally and then edit them later. This is a student film called Gangster Diaries that was filmed in my senior year of high school. This probably made it to a VHS somewhere that I no longer have, so by uploading and saving this, I can keep it forever, as well as edit it and create a new version to share with others. One of my camcorders is a Sony that I purchased in 2000 and still works perfectly to this day. The battery works, so I could open it up. It has a 2.5-inch LCD screen that I could view playback immediately on, and it uses High 8 videotapes. I'll insert the Gangster Diaries video and close it up. Now before I convert it, I'm just gonna see where the tape is at, make sure it's rewound and playing from the beginning on the included LCD screen. Great, so I could see and hear the video playback of my friend Billy doing his best Vincent Price impression. And I know that this is the beginning, exactly where I want to start recording from. The camcorder has an AV cable that attaches to the camera with an audio cable. So I'll hook that up to the camcorder. And then plug in the RCA cables to the clear click converter. I've reinstalled the memory stick as well. And when I press play on the camcorder, I just need to press record to capture. And I can adjust the volume as well. Now the ClearClick does S-Video as well. This particular camcorder has an S-Video out, so I could swap the yellow cable for the S-Video cable and perhaps get slightly better quality overall. There is additional mode settings, so I could add a time watermark to my recording that would then show on the digital recording, even though it wasn't previously on the original VHS. And that is it. That is all you have to do to convert your original VHS tapes or camcorder film to digital. Thank you so much for watching.
Everybody out.
And a special thank you to all of my friends throughout the years who always entertain me, and I hope I've entertained you. And I hope that future generations continue to make more fun films, whether it's on an iPhone or an old camcorder. Just be creative.